Hi friends, I am Anshuman and welcome to my channel Anshuman Circuits, and also welcome to the journey from the mechanics to the finite element methods. So before going to the discussions that I would like to say, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the valuable informations regarding the construction technology, method of the designs and the structure, and also the building rules that issued circulars and the rules issued by the Kolkata Corporation municipal corporations. So what is the journey from the mechanics to the finite elementary methods? Before going to the discussions, now I just want to explain some facts. What's happened the few days, a few months back in the Syria and the Turkey are the massive earthquakes, and they had lost the life and also the assets, and today they are facing the very massive economical problems. So my questions is that as a structural engineer, that can we save the structure or the life during the earthquake? Now, in the ancient times, the architect or the structural engineers, they had a limited knowledge on the mechanics, but in the modern techniques that we have so many methods that we can protect the life from the earthquake or the any disaster from the wind, if we can design the properly. And not only for the design, we have to execute the project in the proper manners. And if you can do this planning and before executing the project, so that the developer can get the maximum benefit. So when you are going to the design, now I just step in the designs process. When we are going to the design a structure, in the first things that we want to know the stress factor of the body. When the force applied on the body, like this is also the structure. When the force applied on the body, the stress produced. This is the normal theory. This is the normal mechanics. And in the ancient times, that what we apply, the force apply on this surface of the body and the stress produced. So what can I find out the stress, how much stress produced in the surface area? It's a simple equations. The total force, if we measured, by assumed, by considered, whatever it you think, the total force applied on the body, and if we divide the surface area of the structures of the body, then you can find out the stress produced of the material. And we have to check this stress produced, the produced stress can change the body surface or the deformation of the body on the other parameters we have to check. But this is the simple mechanics, but simple theory of the mechanics, but strength of materials. But in the modern techniques, in the finite elementary method, that method we generally use in the structural engineering sectors, mechanical sector, medical sector, rocket technology, in the every sphere that we use that techniques, that is the finite elementary methods. In this method, we find out the stress, we find out not only the average stress produced on the surface. On the other hand, if we apply the stress on this body, so the stress distribution is the most important factor. That means In the ancient times, that we only apply the normal theory. The P is a force applied on the body and divided by the area of the surface, so that the average stress produced on that area and apply to the whole body in this theory. But in the finite elementary method, where we applied the force on the surface of the body and the stress distribution on the body, in the body, is the different from the point to point. That is also we called in the node, and in and every node they have a difference property, so that the complex equations we make the complex equation, we prepared the complex equation on these force structures, and try to find out the ultimately the stress value in the each and every nodes of the structure, so that we can a clear picture, we can get the clear picture from this method. So the simple mechanics to the finite elementary method, if we use the finite elementary method theory properly, so can we save the structures, we can design the structure very safely, and we can protect the life from these kinds of the disaster. So this is the introductory video for the simple mechanics to the finite elementary method, and we step by step we step by step to continue our discussions on this field, so that the common people also interact with this engineering. Thank you.